Introducing the 3-part options course with Hans Albrecht. Get access for free by scanning this QR code or clicking on the link in the description.
Welcome back. Wanted to do another review video. So as you can see here, I was, the market would kind of find a bottom somewhere on Tuesday, but if we go to the chart, right, of SPY, you see that we go to the daily chart. On Tuesday, we did have that artificial bounce. Like I go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that we did bounce, but we immediately came back down. So I tried 2 trades. You can see here, I had a Tesla trade and I had an Amazon trade. So Tesla obviously did not hold 100, so it came down into support. So I still am of the opinion that I'm still in this trade. I still think that this, again, let's zoom in. See here that we did not break 2 cents. As long as we hold over, be a wave 4, the downside, before we're pushing up to the wave 5 to the upside. So I'm still in this trade. Might have been early, but if we break back above 305, then we're very likely to the upside. 380, 390. So that's the reason I think that Tesla is still moving to the upside. Like even if I go to the weekly chart, you'll be able to see that we have broken out of this channel. Ideally, I would have liked to close over 305, but that didn't happen. So one pending risk that you have to keep an eye on is that, look here, this is your ABC, and you can see here we are rejecting between the 1.618 and the 1.272. So there is a chance that if we are more bearish than we wanted to be, then we would, if we don't get back over 305, then it is likely that Tesla comes down into this level of 170 before we again try to break out. These are kind of the 2 options on Tesla. So I still am on the Tesla trade, and I am Amazon. On the other hand, on Tuesday, right, you can see that we did find a bottom because it was super extended sell-off, and on the other hand, we did come to the bottom of the channel. So which is why when we came down here, you'll be able to see that I took a trade, right, we were at 6, and that was pretty much the low, and then we had this nice bounce, and you can see here we pretty much triggered on my targets and we hit support. So that trade is done, and I still think as long as we hold this 206, we will continue moving to the upside. If we break that, as you can see here, if the bounce gets rejected and we break 206, then much lower targets like 180 on Amazon. Last but not the least, be able to see that I did take AMD trade, and you can see here that we did, again, I did expect that we could sell a bit more. I just wanted to tail into AMD, right? You can see here we're on support. So as long as we hold over this 97, 98, I still think that we are going to have that. It's pretty oversold, so we are going to at least have that bounce into 120, 130. So it's the reason I took this AMD trade. So I do think that we will bounce into next week into AMD at the very least. So that trade should be good. So yeah, I just wanted to do a review on that. Thank you so much.
Join Chase to trade with Rithika and other experts. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more Wolf's weekly waitlist videos and other content.